Hello friends, this is me Shomita. Welcome to my channel Glowing Angel. Friends, today I am sharing this unique tribal print nail art design with you all. Tribal prints are trending since quite a long time. It's look really beautiful and eye-catching. Before starting, I wanna say if you like my videos, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notified. So let's get started. For this nail art, I am using these things, mainly some nail art brushes, dotting tools and these nail pens. So at first I painted my nails with white polish, then I created this design with black polish. Now follow the detailed steps what I am doing. After creating the design with black polish, now I am using some color polish to draw some lines. Now I am again taking the black polish and create some border between the color lines. Now it's time to add some dots and I am using the silver glitter polish and dotting tools to create the dots. So friends, this is done now. Tell me how is it? If you tried it, please share the picture with me on my Insta ID. If you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.